Ooh, Evan Shanks, you lucky bastard. These are cool. I really like these.
Hey, it's Thursday. I'm about to finish up a whole bunch of stuff that I had to get done. Then I'm leaving town tomorrow. I have to ship out 2 different boxes. One of them is the long-awaited Evo 10 lights for Evan Shanks. And the other set are these aftermarket GTR lights. But the problem is there's a bunch of RGB connections on there. And so I have to make a couple changes. I am gonna change this connector because this is what I have on the wire harness that I made. I gotta solder this one on instead. Do that, I gotta finish this wire harness. So the idea is if the battery is on the passenger side of the car, way up here, it's gotta have a wire that routes down to one headlight and plugs in right here. And then this goes all the way across the car over to the other headlight. Thing is, I need to have 2 of these things. One new thing I did here, because I'm finally finishing up the course, I wanted to make something cool in the background here at the shop, just so as I'm making all these videos for you and for the guys that take my course and everything, that it could look cooler. Does that look cooler? I'm pumped on it. So I can use the phone. This is the same kit that we install on cars, so probably I'm not gonna do a lot of vlogging with the green face, but I can now. Look at those lights. XK glow, thank you. So now when we're talking, and I'm exchanging information from my brain into yours, if I'm going through crazy stuff and I'm heated, I can put on the angry background color. And if I'm happy, then you'll get the green. And if I'm melancholy and blue, you'll get the blue. Or not, I don't know. I think it's cool. It's gonna be dope for the course though. So, and you guys that are watching, my Lightsmen course is looking good.
Evan Shanks, you lucky bastard. These are cool. I really like these. Made them special for Evan. I'm gonna make a dude something. Might as well do it as good as I possibly can. You know what I'm saying? And so it's time to box those things up because they are headed to Hawaii. And I have a very cool customer excited and waiting for these. This is one of only 3 sets. I don't know if I'm gonna build more. These are so crazy. So these are going to Hawaii. We've also got another set of these things. 2 of them is gonna get the new lightning bolt. One of them is being done with all of this stuff right here, and all of that right there being done in a nice tinted carbon fiber. I'm just excited to be done. I've been working super hard on them, but I'm gonna be doing a couple of videos that I want to tell you about. got really good news. I actually got so many requests by everybody that was watching the video where I made all the sequential stuff that I actually ordered some stuff from Korea. I'm gonna dive into a whole new little series on how to customize these circuit boards, if you can see them there, and how to put the LEDs on there, make custom shapes, do all kinds of stuff, and that's just because you asked me to. Everybody was saying, where do I buy these things? We're gonna carry them on the site, we're gonna do a test run. I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of new videos, totally different format, basically just what it seems to help you. I mean, I get comments sometimes and it's certain videos that just have a ton of views and it seems to be helping people and they're into it. They wanna see more of it, so I'm gonna make you guys bunch of videos specifically on sequential LEDs, all sorts of stuff with like the brake flashers and the LED kits, the things that are just like low cost, they're within reach. Do some shootouts of different products, but yeah, that's what's coming up. And I do have one cool thing coming. Ooh, it's super echoey in here. I have this weird little mic boom stand thing. It's where I put the mic when I'm recording stuff for the course. But I like it, I'm really into it. I'm super pumped. I will probably use that for a lot of upcoming videos, and I do want to share some stuff with you guys. I made the mini course for the brake flashers. I want to share that in this video. I'll link up to it and you guys can check it out, but just let me know, do you like it? If you walk through it, is it helpful? Is it confusing? Anything that you can give me feedback wise will be a huge help, so thank you ahead of time for watching that. Anyway, I made a dope sponsorship video. It's gonna walk you through all the things that you need to know about how to pick up sponsors from me or other people. Probably not me, but maybe me, I don't know. There's a lot of good stuff in there. I hope it gets you guys all the cool things that you want. And if it doesn't, I hope it just gives you some tips so that one day you can get there. Anyway, that is it. I'm gonna go on a dope trip. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you on a sponsor video. Gotta watch it. I'm gonna put it left, right? Watch. Right there, right there. That's where it's at. So it's the end of my week. I'm taking Friday off. I'm gonna be traveling up to Oregon. So if I post this in time, which there's a good chance I won't, but I might. I hope I do. Anyway, if I do, then I will be up in Oregon. It might be a nice little getaway for me to have some time that has nothing to do with lights, nothing to do with FlyRyde, just chilling with my wife and some friends up there for a couple days. I hope that goes perfectly well. I'm gonna bring the camera. I'll probably even share some of that video with you guys later. But for now, I'm literally just waiting for a dude that just hit me up because he said he wanted to buy the new flasher kit. So that's a flasher kit.
A few moments later.
Yeah. The dude showed up. I'm trying to lock the door. Let's meet the dude. Want to meet him? Lock, damn it. Gotta lock the door. This is for the dude. That's you. You're the dude. What's your name, brother?
Junior.
Junior. What's up, man? Chris.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm gonna throw you on this vlog just 'cause.
Oh, you're
okay?
good.
Let's check out the car. What you got done to it, dude?
It's on Lawrence Springs, Genesis 2013 on ESR wheels.
Nice, man.
The ISR race exhaust, HKS blow above, and engine cooler intake
Sweet.
and APRs.
Just wrap some stuff and.
Yeah, pretty much.
Nice, man. Looks super clean.
Thank you.
I
Appreciate
like
it.
the wheels.
Thank you.
For sure. Yeah, definitely come back when you get the flasher kit installed. I want to see it. I love these tails, dude. This is like the cheater mode for me. I feel
Yeah.
like you can make these things do such awesome stuff. So with the little flasher mode, I actually got this one I got to go mail out right now.
Nice.
A couple boxes that got to go out. So I got a couple different gens around the corner that it would be nice to just see, like you guys cruising down the street, taillights flashing, doing something at nighttime. That'd be dope.
This
So
is the start, so I'm gonna
Cool.
bag it. So
sweet, man.
yeah.
Well, we will see more of this thing then on the vlog for sure. So if you do ever come to the shop and you are just gonna come visit, I recommend that you do not go the way that your GPS tells you. It's gonna tell you to go over railroad tracks. Don't do that, that's a bad idea. My dude right here just showed up in his Genesis coupe and the tracks are gnarly. So if you are low and static, definitely don't do what he did. He didn't know, I didn't tell him, my bad, that's why I'm telling you. You're gonna wanna drive around. Just get off at Beaumont Avenue, easy to remember. Go down to 1st Street, super easy to remember. And then you just drive it all the way to the end and kind of just bypasses all those gnarly railroad tracks. Plus the trains here suck, they always catch me. And if you're like me and you don't want to get stuck by big long ass trains, then take the road I'm telling you about. And most of you probably will never come, so it doesn't matter. But I want to say thank you again for watching. This was the end for sure this time. Bye. Oh, I fly private jets all the time, just not with you guys.